Okay, this video is for new people trying to get into YouTube or wanting to take more videos and wanted an easy system to be able to adapt to. My recommendation would be the Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI and iMovie, a free software that comes with Mac. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your videos from your camera to your computer. Okay, I opened up iMovie right here. You can see iMovie. And initially you're gonna have to pair your camera to your MacBook, but once it's paired, you can just open iMovie and then connect your camera. Okay, and I'm gonna flip it on. It's going to notice to file transfer, and you're going to notice it pops right up, all my videos. And all you have to do is click on import all. And there you go. It's starting to load all my videos from my DJI Pocket 3 onto my MacBook, and you can see the progress and how it's going. So simple. I recommend the Apple MacBook, their software iMovie, and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I am actually recording on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, which works just about as easy. And look, the import is complete. It's good to go. I'm gonna eject my Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah, and it's good to disconnect. Once I disconnect, it's going to tell me gimbal already locked into stored position, and if I want to exit. And you're good to go once again to record more videos. And here I am turning it off. So simple. Newer Action 5 Pro is just as easy. The only difficult thing about it is getting this waterproof casing cover open so you can access your USB-C. Okay, and then plug it in. Okay, again, I paired this already. So once I turn it on, it should show me file transfer USB, and it'll do it automatically. And it should pop up in iMovie. And there you go. The two videos I have. And it gives me an option to import all, which I'll do. Okay, and you can see the status of how long it's taking, and you can also look on each individual clip will show the status. I'm probably gonna have to cut this because I did like a 10-minute 4K video. It's gonna take a while to load up. This is a MacBook Pro M3, and I heard that the M4 is a lot faster. It does take a while to download some videos, but at least we did the first clip, but we're still less than 25% done. We still got the longer 10-minute clip. But it's so simple for people new to trying to do YouTube or just take video and get it from the camera to the computer. This is like one of the easiest things you can do. So I highly recommend the DJI. It can be the Action 5 Pro. Probably can even be the older models. I'm sure that function similarly. The Pocket 3 and MacBook or some kind of Mac, and their free software. Just wanted to show you guys that the import is complete, so we can eject the Action 5 Pro. Okay, so it's ejected. Unplug it. I guess we're supposed to have disconnected it prior to turning it off. Okay. The one tricky thing to the Action 5 Pro is that it has internal storage. It also has the option for SD card, and I have a larger SD card. But when you have it on your computer, you're gonna have to I guess exit out of both our onboard storage and the SD card for it to eject properly, and that's why it gave me the error. Okay, now just turn it off.
Photo.
Okay. The buttons are pretty hard because it's a water resistant design, but yeah, all done. So the Action 5 Pro is a little more finicky because it has the waterproofing and whatnot, so it's kind of harder to get access to the USB-C to transfer videos, and it's also a harder thing to switch on because you have to press really hard. But that's the drawback when you're trying to get a benefit of waterproof and rugged casing. Yeah. So if you want a simple camera that can pretty much do everything you need, I'd recommend that. Both cameras, and you'll get a little better video quality with the Pocket 3. It has a bigger sensor. It has a mechanical gimbal, so it's more stable. But the Action 5 Pro is no slouch, and it can do really good video as well, but it doesn't have the mechanical gimbal. However, if you're gonna go anywhere near water, or if you're pretty rough, throw it around, the Action 5 Pro will serve you better because it's a lot more durable. Okay, I actually had to replace my Pocket 3 one time because I did fall into the water with it in my pocket. And yeah, I want to bring up one point that someone could make against getting a DJI camera, which you would have to purchase to follow this system that I have, and that you have a camera in your pocket, your smartphone, your cell phone. And it is true, you could probably get your videos from your phone and eventually get to iMovie, but it will take a few more steps. When I plug in my iPhone to my Mac, it has to go through Photos first, download there, import it, and then from there I transfer it over to iMovie, and then I have to download it there. So there's a few more steps, but I just found that using the DJI Pocket 3 or the Action 5 Pro, I just plug it in, it prompts me to import, and I hit import, and that's it. It's very simple. Okay, and that's my reason for using DJI with the iMovie and calling it probably the simplest way to start YouTube videos. All right, thank you for watching, and take care.